Daddy. That's a good girl.
Bring her to me. Bring her here. Walk her over there. Take her with you.
Okay. Hey, Daddy.
Now you have to sit up there and don't fall off, okay?
Okay. Just like the last time I did when the horses fell down and I fell with it.
Okay. You holding on tight?
Hmm?
What?
You come sleep.